It was Christmas Eve in a warm, happy bakery. A little gingerbread girl lived on a cookie plate. She wished to hear the big Christmas bell ring in town. Suddenly, she heard a soft cry outside. She found a small silver bell in the snow. It was sad. "I fell from the big Christmas bell," it said. "I must go back." "I will help you," she said with a big smile. They walked together under the snow into the cold night. A snowman said, "Be careful, the wind is strong tonight." She gave the snowman marshmallows, and he let them pass. They found a bridge covered in ice. It was slippery. Gingerbread Girl walked slowly and helped the little bell. Later, one kind elf came and offered to help them. They saw Christmas lights in the distance. They were close. They reached the tower with the big Christmas bell on top. She climbed the stairs carefully. Her cookie legs shook. The bell said, "Thank you. I can ring again soon." The Christmas bell rang loud and beautiful. Ding dong! Gingerbread Girl looked at the stars and felt proud. Everyone was happy. Moral of the story: when you help others, your heart becomes sweeter and stronger.